Hello everyone, I am Renu and let's start general knowledge question for class 7. In the previous video I had started with world of sports. Today continuing the same topic, we have a question. In the form of fill in the blanks. Options are Nadia Comaneci, Michael Phelps, Emil Zatopek, Zaki Joyner-Kersee, K.D. Jadhav, Karna Maleshwari, Larissa Latinina, Abebe Bikila, Abhinav Bindra, Sushil Kumar. The first question is, you have to name a swimmer who was from US. He won, or maybe she, won 22 medals, 18 golds in 3 Olympics. And the answer will be Michael Phelps. Michael Phelps was US swimmer and he had won 22 medals. The second one is gymnast from Ukraine. Her record of 18 medals in 3 Olympics stood unbroken from 1964 to 2012. So now you have to name a gymnast who was from Ukraine. She had won 18 medals in 3 Olympics and this record was unbroken from 1964 to 2012. So out of all these, the answer is Larissa Latinina. Larissa, she was a gymnast from Ukraine. Next, Romanian gymnast, only 14 years old when she became the first to score a perfect 10. And the answer for Romanian gymnast is Nadia Comaneci. She was only 14 years old when she became first to score a perfect 10. In gymnastic, people get scoring of perfect 10 also. D part, first to win the 5000 meter, the 10,000 meter and the marathon in the same Olympics. Now you have to name the Olympian who had won 5000 meter, 10,000 meter and marathon as well. And the name is Emil Zatopek. Here, Emil Zatopek. E part, Ethiopian runner, first to win the Olympic marathon twice, ran barefoot to win the first time. Barefoot means without wearing anything in the foot. तो उसने कुछ नहीं पहना था. So that person was Ethiopian runner. And the answer is Abebe Bikila. Abebe Bikila. She was Ethiopian runner. F part, considered by many as the greatest female athlete ever, first to win the Olympic heptathlon twice. Here, hept means 7. So, Olympic heptathlon is a sport in which 7 events take place. There are 3 running events, 2 jumping events and 2 throwing events are there. 100-meter hurdle, high jump, shot put, 200-meter sprint, long jump, javelin throw, 800-meter run. So these events are held in 2 days. So we have to name the greatest female athlete and the answer is Jackie here. Jackie Joyner-Kersee. She was the greatest female and first to win the Olympic heptathlon twice. The next question is G part. Independent India's first individual Olympic medalist won a bronze in wrestling 1952. So you have to name one person who won bronze in wrestling and the year was 1952. So from the options if you check out, the answer will be K.D. Jadhav. Understood? Now the next question is H part. You have to name the ace shooter, first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal in the year 2008. And if you had seen the news, you must be aware that in 2008, gold medal was won by Abhinav Bindra. So here you will write Abhinav Bindra. I part, first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal, won a bronze in weightlifting year 2000. And the answer is Karna Maleshwari. J part, wrestler, first Indian to win an individual medal in more than one Olympiad, 2008 as well as in 2012 also. And the answer is Sushil Kumar. With this one we have finished this fill in the blanks question and the final answers you can see. The answer of A part is Michael Phelps, B part Larissa Latinina, C part Nadia Comaneci, D part Emil Zatopek, E part Abebe Bikila, F part Jackie Joyner Kersey. G part K.D. Jadhav, H part Abhinav Bindra, I Karna Maleshwari, J part Sushil Kumar. Moving on to question 4, which is a quiz about water sports. Tick the correct option or option. So as you know, options means you can have more than one answer as well. First one, which of the following are summer Olympic sports? Diving, rowing, sailing, water polo. And if you have heard the name, you can make out that these all are summer Olympic sports. So answer for first will be A, B, C, D. All 4 are answers. Question 2. What are the 2 kinds of canoeing and kayaking events in Olympics? Now let me tell you, canoe and kayak, these are kind of boats. So basically these 2 terms are related to boating races, right? So the options are sprint, sculls, slalom, springboard. And the 2 kind of canoeing and kayaking events are sprint and slalom. So the answer for 2 will be A and C part. A and C part, right? Question 3. At the Munich Olympics 1972, Mark Spitz of the USA. Now here Mark Spitz is the name of person. Munich is the name of place, right? So Mark Spitz of the USA won gold in 7 events. Only Michael Phelps with 8 golds in Beijing 2008 has won more golds in a single Olympiad. Spitz was he a diver, swimmer, rower, canoeist? Now if you don't know about Mark Spitz, but if you know about Michael Phelps from the previous question, right? So you know that Michael Phelps was a swimmer. So if you have to compare the gold medals, that means both must be from the same event. So with this one you can make out the answer that it must be swimmer. Spitz was a swimmer. 3. The answer will be B part. 4th question. Dawn Fraser of Australia was the first to win the same event in the 3 successive Olympics. She competed in the 100 meter. Was it freestyle, backstroke, butterfly, breaststroke? So all these are events which happen in swimming. So these all are swimming styles. And this lady, Dawn Fraser, she competed in freestyle. The answer will be freestyle. Okay. Next question, 5th one. Greg Louganis of the USA took gold in both the platform and springboard events in the 1984 Los Angeles and 1988 Seoul Olympics. Louganis was a swimmer, canoeist, diver or kayaker. So this person, Greg Louganis, he was a diver. Answer will be C part. 6th question. He won 5 Olympic gold medals in swimming and a bronze in water polo. Water polo, in this event, he won bronze. In swimming, 5 Olympic gold medals. He also played the role of Tarzan in several Hollywood movies. His name, Mark Spitz, Johnny Depp, Ian Thorpe, Johnny Weissmuller. Now, there is one picture of this person here. This Olympic champion acted in Tarzan in movies. So, do you recognize this face? Answer will be Johnny Weissmuller. Johnny Weissmuller, right? He was Olympian. 7th question. Mihir Sen and Aarti Saha were the first Indian swimmers, male and female, respectively, to swim in the Olympics, win an Olympic medal, cross the English Channel, do all of these. And if you had heard these 2 names, Mihir Sen and Aarti Saha, the answer will be cross the English Channel. So 7th, the answer will be C part. Question 8. What stroke is this? Tick one option for each. So here are the pictures and you have to pick up which swimming style is it. So this picture, if you see, it's a freestyle. Out of all these, the answer will be freestyle. Here in the second one, Is it butterfly, breaststroke, backstroke, freestyle? So this will be breaststroke. C part, freestyle, backstroke, butterfly or breaststroke. So the answer will be butterfly. Okay. Here it is freestyle, breaststroke, butterfly. So here are the final answers which you can note down. For first one, then second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth is the answer is here. For seventh, here is the answer, and for eighth, this and these three are the answers. With this question, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you had understood all the questions regarding world of sports. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.